I forgot to show about HTML validation. So this is the page of products, principal page. And I just have that warning about viewport. Now I will check that same thing, HTML, warning, but the rest, any error. And now in new category, HTML, and the same warning. Now I will check about login page, HTML, warning. What's this? Create account. Okay, all the same warning. About CSS, I have that errors about kids, but I never add that kid, where kids. I never add that codes, so I have no idea. My code is this one. Start here. This is my code. Not this one. So I have no idea where comes this code. And I have the same results in each page. So sorry, this is my HTML validation.